Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by laying out the kit and confirming the expiration date. That prevents false results. Once ready, wash and dry your hands to reduce contamination and choose a clean, flat surface under bright light. Use the included lancet, pinch the side of a fingertip, press and release quickly. Squeeze gently for a drop of blood. Collect the amount the kit specifies. Make sure to follow the kit timing instructions exactly because step timing affects accuracy. Now you move into the core assay sequence, and timing is crucial, so start the timer as soon as you add buffer. Put the exact amount of blood into the sample well. That ensures the test chemistry runs correctly. Add the recommended drops of buffer directly into the buffer well. Too much or too little changes flow rate. Make sure to lay the device flat, then wait the kit's specified time. Avoid disturbing the device. Motion can smear the test lines and invalidate the result. When the wait time ends, read the result within the window the kit specifies. This preserves accuracy. A visible control line means the test ran correctly. A test line indicates a reactive result, which requires confirmatory lab testing. If only the control line appears, the result is non-reactive. If the control line is missing, do not interpret the test. Repeat with another kit. If you have unexpected results or bleeding issues, contact a health professional for next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.